If you want to launch your own Shopify store, but don't know where to start, then you're in the right place. In just 10 minutes, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need, from setting up your Shopify store and start selling online, even if you're a complete beginner. So, let's get started. Now the first thing you need to do is to create a Shopify account. For that, click on the first link on the description of this video. This will bring you to this page. Now if you sign up from here, then you will get a 3-day free trial, and on top of that, you'll get an extra 3 months of Shopify for just $1, with access to all the features. This gives you plenty of time to build and launch your store before transitioning to a paid plan. But to get this special offer, be sure to use the referral link in the description, otherwise, you might not get the extra 3 months for just $1. Now to create an account, enter your email address here, then click on Start Free Trial. Then, here enter a strong password, and click on Create Your Account. Then Shopify will ask you a few simple questions. Just answer them based on what fits you best. No need to overthink it, as they won't impact your setup. After that, you'll land on the Shopify dashboard. Now, the first thing we need to do is to select our store theme. To do that, click here on Online Store. It will automatically take you to the themes. Here the Dawn theme is already applied. Now if you want to change the theme, then scroll down and click here on Visit Theme Store, and then here click on the free option. So, it will only show the free themes. After that, you can choose any theme you want from here. All the themes are responsive, so you don't need to worry about anything. Let's say you want to use this theme, then click on it. Here click on View Demo Store. So, now you can see how your store will look like if you use this theme. You can also select this mobile option to see how it looks like in phone, and if you liked it, then you can click on the Try Theme option. Here it will start adding this theme into your Shopify store. Now, you can see that this theme has been successfully added to the theme library. To use it, just click Publish, then confirm by clicking Publish again. But for this video, I won't be using this theme. Instead, I'll stick with the default Dawn theme. So, to start building your store, simply click on Customize Theme, which will take us to Shopify's Page Builder. Now, here we are in the Shopify Store Builder. From here, we'll build our Shopify store. In the middle, you can see a preview of the store, and we're currently on the home page. On the left, you'll see the structure of the store. For example, here's the announcement bar. This is where you can add special messages. If you want to edit it, just click on it. And on the far right, you can write your message. For instance, I'll write something like use code D20 for 20% discount. Next, you need to upload your store's brand logo. To save time, I've already created one using Canva. To change the logo, click the settings icon here and go to Logos. Then click Select. Click Add Images, find your logo on your device, open it, and click Done. And just like that, you can see the logo has been added. Next, let's change the hero image, which is this large banner image. To do that, click on it, then click Select and Add Images. Choose your image and click Done. Now the new hero image is added. If you don't have a hero image, you can use some pre-given images from Shopify. To do that, click here and select Explore Free Images. From here, let's say you want this image, just click on it and then click Select. Now, the new image has been added. And if you want to delete something, for example this text, simply click on it, and it will show a trash icon to delete it, or you can delete it directly from here. Alternatively, you can hide the text by clicking here, which means you can reuse it anytime by clicking on Hide. Now, each of these are sections. For example, this is the hero section, this is the featured product section, and this is the footer section. Let's say I want to add another section below the featured collection section. To do that, I'll click on this section, then on the left, click Add Section. Now, let's say you want to add another featured collection, then select it, and just like that, it's added. Now, if you want to add a different section, you can do the same process. This time, let's add an image with text section. Now it's been added. If I want to move this section to the middle, I can simply drag and drop it into place. So now, the image with text section is in the middle of our store. If you want to add a product image here, then just click on it, upload an image, and click Done. And there you go, the image has been added. Now, let's add a name for this product. Click here and then write the product name, then click here to write a description. And if you don't have a description, you can use Shopify's AI to generate one. Just click on this icon, enter the product name, and click Generate. Then, choose a description from the suggestions, and it will be added. Now, even though all Shopify themes are responsive, meaning they look good on desktops, tablets, and phones, you can still check how your store appears on different devices. In the top right corner, click on the phone icon to see how it looks on mobile, or use the full screen icon to check the desktop view. Now, let's go back. To further customize your store, explore the theme settings by clicking here. From there, you can adjust the logo, fonts, layouts, buttons, animations, and more. Now, let's learn how to add products into our store, but before we move on to adding products, always remember to save your store after making any edits by clicking this save icon. And now click exit. Now, to add products, go to products and click on add product. Now, enter your product name, let's say classic hoodie. Next, add a description here. If you don't have one, you can use Shopify's AI to create a description by clicking here. Just type in some features and keywords of the product, like classic hoodie for men, then click generate and keep. Now, upload your product image by clicking upload new, then select your image. If you want, you can also upload multiple images, or even a video of your product. Then, enter your product price here. If you want Shopify to calculate your profit margins, then you can add your cost per item here, but for this tutorial, I'll leave it empty. Now, set the product quantity, let's say 100. Then, enter the product weight, for example, 1 pound. Lastly, you can add multiple color or size variants if needed. Once everything is set, click save. And as you can see, the product has been added. Now, just like this, I've added 2 more products. Now, let me show you how to create collections. First, click on Collections, then Create Collection. Next, give your collection a name. I'll name it Best Selling. Then, write a description here. Keep the collection type set to Manual, which lets us manually add products to our best-selling collection. Now, I'll upload an image for this collection. Finally, select the products you want to add to this collection by clicking Browse, then select the products we already added, and then click Save. Now, to add these collection products to our store, go to Online Store again and click on Customize. Let's say you want to add the products from the best-selling collection to this section. To do that, click on it, and on the right, under Collection, click Select. It will show the collection we created, select it, and now the products from that collection are added. Next, I'll set it to display 3 products so they fill the empty space nicely. Now, let's change the section title from Featured Collection to Best Selling. Finally, let's check how it looks on mobile. Alright, it looks good. Now, let's save it, and then click Exit. Now, we need to create our About Us page and store policies. To do that, click on Online Store, then Pages, and click Add Page. Name this About Us, and generate the description using Shopify AI, then set it to Visible, and click Save. Next, go to Navigation, click on Menus, then Main Menu. Click Add Menu Item, name it About Us, find the About Us page, add it, and click Save. Now, go to Settings, then Policies, and from here create all the policies. Don't worry, we can generate them automatically using Shopify's templates. Just click on each policy, select Insert Template, and then Publish. And just like that, it's been added. Now, I've done the same for the others. Finally, if we check our store now, then you'll see the About Us page in the header, and in the footer, you'll find the policies we added. Now, we need to do some additional settings so customers can check out, and we can receive payments. Go to Settings, then click on Payments. Click Activate Shopify Payments and fill in the required details to complete the setup. This will allow your customers to choose from various payment options, including credit cards, Apple Pay, Shop Pay, and many more. By default, PayPal checkout will also be enabled. While you can deactivate it, if you'd like, keeping PayPal activated typically helps maintain a higher conversion rate, so it's best to leave it on. Now, go to General Settings and under Store Details, make sure all your information, like store name, email, and phone number is correct. Then, fill in your billing information here. Also, double-check that your store currency is set correctly. Next, you need to set up your shipping rates. To do that, click on Shipping and Delivery. From here, you can set up your shipping rates based on the regions you're shipping to. You can also add dynamic shipping rates based on the weight or price of the product. Also, if you want to collect taxes for specific countries, you can set that up in the Taxes and Duties section. And the last thing is to get a domain, which is the URL address of your Shopify store. To add a domain, go to Domains. If you already have a domain, you can connect it by clicking here. If not, click on Buy New Domain, then enter the domain name. Usually, it's the name of your Shopify store. If it's available, you can purchase it directly from Shopify, and it will be automatically connected to your store. So, now we can publish our store. To do that, go to Online Store and click on Pick a Plan. From here, choose a plan. If you're a beginner, I recommend selecting the basic plan as it has everything you need. Just click on it. You'll then see an overview of the plan. Here, enter your card details, or you can even connect PayPal if you want. So, after entering your payment details, click subscribe. Next, go to the dashboard and then online store. Now, if you click here on remove password, your online store will be published and accessible to everyone. Thanks for watching.